And in this video I'm going to show you how to connect GoDaddy domain to your Shopify store. It's pretty simple what you have to do and it's automatic. So you just want to go to the Shopify admin panel, settings, then domains. Then you want to select connect existing domain and enter your GoDaddy domain. Then just click choose connect automatically, enter GoDaddy credentials when prompt, and allow Shopify to manage your DNS settings. And within 48 hours, your domain should have been verified and on your Shopify store, and you can use it. But if you want to do it the manual way, you have to go to your GoDaddy account, from My Products, head to Domains and Manage, locate the domain you wish to connect, find the DNS management area and replace the existing A record with Shopify's IP address and the CNAME with shops.myshopify.com. Then just save settings and confirm by checking the status in your Shopify admin under settings and domains. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.